Beyonder Marine at Sterett Creek is located outside of Warsaw, Missouri. It is a marina, campground, general store, a lot of amenities, different things that we wanted to try out, and this was a perfect weekend to go. It's a nice weekend in October, cool weather, and we just thought we'd try it out, and now we will share what we found out with you. The campground offers a variety of sites. There are some pull-throughs and back-ins as well. There are full hookups with water, electric, and there are some with sewer. They do have 30 amp and 50 amp sites. We were quite impressed. We enjoyed it. Some were a little unlevel, but the one we had was perfect. If camping in the campground is not your thing, be sure and check out the Sterett Creek Motel. It looks very nice from the outside. Unfortunately, we were not able to go in, but it looks like during the summer there's a lot of people staying there. It fills up, so definitely worth checking out. For larger groups, they do have a guest house rental. The general store is located near the motel, but it's really close to the campground, so you would be within walking distance. But it has a variety of things that you might need. It probably has some things you don't need, but you really want. And we just really enjoyed this, just looking around, checking it out. There is a game room and has all kinds of games, and there's music, and so there's a variety of things to be able to do near there, and we just think it's fun. Oh, and did we mention there's golf cart rentals?
We had to buy something.
This place is very pet friendly, and you will find waste stations in several locations around the resort. One thing about staying in the Sterett Creek campground is it is right next door to Sterett Creek Village. That happens to be where my sister Pam lives. Thank you for joining us at Sterett Creek. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.